All right, guys, it is time. September rapid signals results are out and they're crazy. They're way better than the last 3 months, even though the last couple months have been good. This month, definitely huge improvement from the last three. So, rapid signals, for those that don't know, is our signal room for Forex League. We came out with it around 4 months ago. The thinking process behind it was everyone was complaining that there was too much analysis being shared in the chats. We got rid of that. Everyone was complaining that they were missing trades because they were coming out at certain times of the day. So now we are giving signals at all different times of day in each session: New York, London, Asian session. And we are now giving Forex, crypto, indices, everything, commodities. So we're giving signals on every single type of pair. So, guys, it has been an amazing month. We're just going to go back and take a look at June's results. Let's scroll to the top. We're 210% gain, so that month was definitely good. Again, guys, this is for those watching this for the first time, and I'll get into explaining this a bit more. This is risking 1% per trade hypothetically, and we'll also get into how the percentage is calculated on where the trades actually close. But there's a lot of trades being given, so it's not very realistic to think that you are going to get into every single trade unless you are using a Telegram copier, which we will be giving to our signal service soon. But a lot of trades are being given out. So again, this 210% is going to be hard to achieve doing this manually. So that was June. July, definitely lower month, 100% gains in July. Again, this is risking 1% per trade. You could see the win ratio, 161 TPs, 111 stop losses. June, 57 stop losses, 179 TPs. So a lot more TPs were hit in June. Then we had August, 170 TPs hit, 111 stop losses hit. So definitely a better month, 191% gains. And then September came in, best month yet, 70 stop losses were hit. Total TPs, 220. Total signal sent, 297. Guys, ton of trades being given out. Only 70 stop losses were hit on these trades. Do the math. I mean, that is a great win percentage right there. That is something that you guys can be profitable with, taking these signals. I guarantee it. So let's go over to week one. Let's take a look. How did week one do? What type of trades were being given out? So as you can see here, we've got Forex, indices, crypto, commodities, day one. So we had a variation of all four different types: CAD JPY, NZD CAD, US 30, BTC, US oil. And look at the times here. So we had London session, New York session right here. So trades being given out in both sessions. Asian, not as much. And then if we look left, so the percentage is calculated based on the TP that was hit. And this is based on the thinking process that you are going to open a TP for, or an entry for each TP, right? So if there are multiple TPs being given, you're going to open multiple trades for each of those TPs. And that's something that the copy night, for those that don't know what that is coming soon. That will take every trade for you and will open those multiple positions if there are multiple TPs being given. As you can see with the stop losses, everything is minus 1% here. So the biggest win that day was 4.75%. This is week one, only 3 days. We're in this week. This is the beginning of the month. As you can see here, some of the trades aren't closed out yet. That just means they are still open. Again, second day. And we're seeing anywhere from, let's see how many trades were given. 11 trades. So about 10 to 14 trades are being given out literally every single day. So a ton of trades. TPs hit in week one, 19. Stop losses hit 7. Still haven't hit anything yet, 2. Total signals sent, 28. Total pips, 17,000. This is excluding crypto because this would balloon this number dramatically. And then total percentage gain, 35%, guys. So definitely a huge beginning. And this was only a couple days. So let's go ahead and scroll down, look at week two. We were having some BTC, some like different cryptos in the beginning of the month. We're going to start to just exclude them because they're not even listed. on the exchanges that most people are doing or on the broker that most people are using, so they will no longer be sent. So we could see the normal NAS 100, US 30. These are pairs, guys. If you're going to take our signals, you should have a strategy, a rhyme and a reason behind what you're doing. Maybe only take all the indices, maybe only take all the commodity trades, maybe only take Forex, maybe take a combination of both. But that is how you're going to have the best results here. So as you can see, this week started off on fire, ended up 16% literally in the first 24 hours of the week. Then we took some losses, but all in all, this was really good week. We can see a lot of TPs were hit. We had some stop losses towards the end of the week, but guys, hitting stop losses is a name in the game. Anyone that tells you that there are not trades hitting stop losses in their signals are lying to you. They're literally lying to your face. And you might ask, how is this being achieved? How are there so many trades being given out? We have multiple traders working for us, delivering signals as a part of our community. So this isn't just one trader. This isn't an EA. These are manual traders that are delivering these signals for everyone. Let's take a look at the total pips gain, 12,000, again excluding crypto. Percentage gain, 60% for this week. So if you risk 1% and you open those multiple TPs, you could realistically see these results. Total TPs 51, total stop losses 17. Again, a good 60% or so risk reward ratio, even higher than that, 70%. So this was a great week. Moving on to week 3 here. Let's take a look. This day had a lot of trades. We had 25 trades in one day. That is definitely way more than usual, but some days are more trades and some days are less. You can see 8. A lot of trades being given out this week. 43 in total hit TP, 22 hit stop loss, 3 are invalid, 2 are TBD, and 70 signals total were sent. 8,000 pips, 43%. So again, another great week. Even if you're getting 1/5 of these results, guys, 1/4 of the results, that's 10% for the week. I mean, come on. That's a great week. And we can see down here, this is what I'm talking about. There are going to be stop losses, guys. Not every trade is going to hit TP. Look down here, minus 5%. This is why the risk reward is so important, using the right lot size. You could lose all these trades in a row. This could put you down 7%, but if you came back to the beginning here and totaled these up, we can see you would have been up 23% based on these orders. So guys, a lot of trades being given out. Make sure you're using the right lot size. If you don't know, there is a lot size calculator that we provide to our students, so definitely check that out. Let's go to week 4 now. Week 4 looks like it was pretty much the best week for the month. So let's pause here. We had a lot of trades being given out. We had 16 or so, 18 being given out on pretty much the first day. And let's total up what all those percentage gains are here. 20% in the first day. So if you took all the trades in the first day, lined up the TPs the right way, let's look how many pips. 3,000 pips. I mean, come on. The pips, I mean, we talk about this. The pips don't really matter as much, guys, because it's all about the percentage gain. This is really what you should be focused on. But even so, you know, we could obviously see a lot of pips are being caught in these trades as well. So let's go ahead, look right at the results here, and let's look at the times again really quickly. We had London session, we had New York session, and then we actually did have some Asian sessions. So these are trades being given in all different sessions, guys. 61 TPs hit, 10 stop losses hit, 1 invalid, 2 TBD, 74 signals total, 17K pips made, 81%. So guys, these results are legit. I know you're sitting there and saying, you're not showing losses, blah, 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 blah. Guys, the losses are all here. They're all being calculated the same way, all risking 1% on every trade, breaking up the entries based on the TPs. And if there are going to be multiple TPs hit, you're going to see, look, 4 TPs hit. This trade must have given 4 TPs. The final TP was 2%. So we opened a trade for each of them, and then it equaled to 2%. So guys, this is not bullshit here. This is exactly what we are shooting for in the signals. In 1 second, I'll go over to the actual channel and we'll scroll through. Final week, win percentage, super high. I mean, the win percentage is like 80% this week, guys. It's hard to lose when the win percentage is that high. So 46 TPs, 14 stop losses, 61 signals total, 12K pips, 50% gain. This is crazy results in the rapid signals. Let's go over to the channel. Let's take a look at what's going on in here. September 1st, as you can see, all the signals are being sent with the buy. So it's the signal with the price, stop loss is being given, take profits are being given. So if you did want to use a trade copier, there are some out there, Telegram copiers. And again, we will be releasing our own called the Copy Night that will help you copy every single trade given in the channel. We're testing it now to make sure that it runs efficiently. But it will take every trade. It'll split it up between all the TPs. It will do everything for you. But I just want to scroll through, guys. Look at what we're doing here. Again, buy, signal, stop loss, all the TPs, exactly what people want. And we have our analysts working and delivering the before and after. So every time a trade has hit a before and after, we will post hit a TP. We will hit the before and after in here. We'll reply to the actual signal. So this one hit our final TP, 130,400. If we scroll down right here, we'll go to this one, Euro CHF, boom. So these are the signals that are being sent. We have to scroll back a little bit. Some of them are swing trades, so they do take a little while to actually play out. But you can see all these before and afters, guys. These are all trades that were taken. They're all signals that were sent that hit the final TP, and then we put these review videos in here every single week. I'm going to do one today from this past week. This just goes over why we entered some of the trades that we were in. So this is educational, obviously. But again, look at all. Let's go back to September here. September, ton of trades. If the trade's invalid, we'll post it in there for you. So yeah. That's pretty much it, guys. There's a lot going on in the rapid signals, a lot of value, and for only 45 bucks right now. It's only $45. Normally it's 75. Currently it's 45. It's 40% off. So if you guys want to get in on the 40% off, I would highly suggest that now is the time. If I scroll up, we could see what someone said that purchased recently. They made $400 in 2 weeks from $45, or from after joining for the $45. So they're literally making 10 times what they purchased this for. It's literally insane. This person right here literally made $3,000 from the signals. So the signals are paying for itself, guys. The signals are paying for itself. It's 40% off. Get in now. Don't wait. It's going to go back up to 75 tomorrow night, Sunday night. And I'm just excited. I know I'm hyping it up, but I'm excited for the signals. We've been working hard on these, and it's finally paying off. The results, as you can see, are amazing. If you want to check out the results for yourself, just come into the Telegram, come to the pinned message at the top, scroll down, and then the results are right here. So you can always click that link and check it out. Guys, Forex League Rapid Signals, they are here to stay. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube page, and as always, thank you so much for all the support.